Hey there, welcome or welcome back. This is just a quick glimpse of how we were ending our week last week. We were removing all these packed up items and trash bags and Goodwill bags out of the house. And we continued this until we got everything out. We are cleaning out the basement, and I'm going to give you a little walkthrough of our progress in the basement as well as in the house. Still a lot to do. We haven't even made it to the buildings yet, so got a lot to do still. So we've been cleaning out the basement, but we haven't gone very far. It's completely packed. They were planning for the end of time. We just bagged up a bunch and took it to the landfill. And still a good bit to do. I'm going to do a little walk through the house. You can see the floor. Can you believe it? I can't. Everything in the bathroom is blue. There's just a little furniture left in here. Also just a little furniture left in here. Wow, you can walk around in here. So, you can see there's some damage to the ceiling. Our boxes out there where we're packing stuff from the basement. But, wow, you can actually breathe in here a little bit. The sink and tub like a brown color. These high ceilings though, how about that? It's looking so different already. Here's the kitchen. Wow. Cabinets are just, they've seen better days. Ceiling, there's also some water damage in here. Yeah. Still some cleaning up to do outside. Those stairs are going to be tore down and this whole deck's going to be removed. This is where the basement is, where we're pulling stuff out. And here's the stairs that go up to the buildings. There's still a lot going on out here with the buildings. Haven't made it out here yet. Oh, they're locked currently. This building has been cleaned out though. It's pretty nice. So yeah, that's the progress we've made. Just, I don't know, about 20 folders, if not more. Wax paper. End with the world preppers.
Don't hold too much champagne.
Lots of these napkins here. Oh, what do we have? Canned coffee. More canned coffee, about 20 of them.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, boy. A whole box of storage bags. I'm good. There's, I don't know, about 30 of those in there. There's more. These have been open.
Keep some in the car. Yeah, first. Absolutely. Yeah.
All canned coffee.
Did you get it all?
Yeah, that's all. Yeah, there's a bunch in there. It's completely full.
Of coffee?
Yep, just coffee. Get that. There's the whole box of Chef Boyardee. No, that's Campbell's soup. Oh. We still got more to clean up here. Almost cleaned off that shelf. So the goal is in the next few days the power is going to get cut on. The house is going to start getting remodeled on the inside. We still have a lot more to do here. So if you want to tune in, I'll be posting videos every Friday until this house is complete. So please come back and hang out. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe. Share with your friends that might enjoy it. Leave a comment. Do anything that you feel you would like to do, but it also helps my channel, so please. All right, until next time.